Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, lifestyle. Before we get started on this first impression of this new Lipsense to me, it's a long time Lipsense. It's called Dawn Rising. Please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. So let's jump right into it. So this Dawn Rising Lipsense is an oldie but goodie, but it's new to me and I wanted to test it out. I'm wearing matte shadow sense and I tried to do a little wing, and it actually, I'm gonna keep practicing. It actually made my eyes brighter. I don't know. So if you've never heard me talk about Lipsense, Lipsense is a liquid lip color. You go up to 3 tubes of regular Lipsense. It is smudge proof, waterproof, kiss proof, lasts from 4 to 18 hours. It is light free, wax free, cruelty free, vegan free, gluten free, and made in the US. You apply it in 3 thin layers in the same direction, then you add it with gloss. But you want to make sure your lips are clean and dry. There is no food and no makeup on it, so I already did that. Every time, doesn't matter if you have a brand new tube of Lipsense, you want to shake it for about 30 seconds, and if you hear that noise, it's actually a ball mixing up your color. So that's what I'm doing. This is sealed. It's not open at all, brand new. I'm pretty sure that this has some shimmer in it, and I don't know about you, but I rather apply my lipstick once a day and not have to keep reapplying it or touching it up throughout the day. And I can testify, this Lipsense of any color has lasted me over 12 hours. I went to sleep with it on before because I was so tired, and yeah. So this is, you want to do it in the same direction, but with a gloss, you can just apply. Gloss is a must, and I will put a link down below so that you can shop this Lipsense or any Lipsense. If you are new to Lipsense, this is a starter kit, which is $55. They range from $40 to $55. So, and if you spend $100, you get free shipping, samples, and your products. Spend $150, you get free samples, your products, and a free gift. Right before, on the checkout page, right before you click checkout, you want to click that preferred customer little box, because it gets you 10% off all your purchases all year round. So I'm going to do a video on that very soon. And there are some new faces here on my channel. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. I'm almost to 400. I know some people are subscribing for a little bit and then they leave. I said it before. If you're going to subscribe, stick around. You might like what you see. It just annoys me that people subscribe and then unsubscribe. It's not about subscribers, but it helps. So this is well shook, and oh, here it goes. There's that clicking noise. We all love that clicking noise. So I have seen this Lipsense on people, and some it's nude and some it's really dark. It's like a brownish. So every time you pull it out of the tube to apply it, you want to wipe off all the excess. So I'm just going to start. Your lips cannot touch until you put the gloss on. So, and you want to make sure that it's dry to touch before you add in the next layer. You can touch it up. Here we go. This is layer 1. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, it's very natural on me. I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm gonna do my mascara and my blush. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds to dry. There's like something. Okay, there's layer 1. So you want to make sure it's dry. If it's still tacky, it's still drying. So here is layer 2. I could have just said it. It kind of reminds me of I really like this color. And it has some shimmer to it. Okay, layer 2. Layer 2. Gonna get some blush on. Okay, now I'm gonna do layer 3 on this. I do have to fix it right there. Okay, I did have a lot on this side. And you can use ooze remover. I'm gonna use iced coffee shimmer or blush. And then Okay. Okay, dry to the touch. Okay. Gloss, dry. I like it. It kind of has that iridescent color to it. And yeah, I did get a little bit right here, but that doesn't matter because I'm not doing much today. But if I was, I would go back in and fix it right there. Or that's what the Oops Remover is for if you mess up. Rub your lips together after you put the gloss on to seal it in. It kind of reminds me of beige champagne and gingerbread or nude just by itself. It's very pretty, and I'm glad I did it with this look. So there's nothing on my hand. Nothing. The only thing that comes off is the glossy gloss. And a trick is I gloss before I eat and after I eat. So that way it stays on longer. So please like this video and please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching. Okay, real quick, I wanted to go in natural lighting and show you guys what it looks like. It's super pretty. I like it, and it does have some like shimmer frosty. So here it is. I really like it. I think I would probably wear this as an everyday color, so, but here it is. I like it, so thanks for watching. Please like this video again, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to use my link and click that little preferred Kiss and Tell customer box. It gets you a discount right before you check out. Thanks for watching.